Hi, welcome to my channel. I have done this decat video on my other video, but I thought I'd do another video of me just showing how I clean the manifolds. You don't have to watch that whole video if you're not interested in the whole thing that I'm doing here with this project. So just to briefly, quickly explain what I'm doing. Just took manifold off, decatting it. I took the cat out. I'm going to TIG weld that back together, and I'm going to do various other things to that bike. So if you're interested, check my other videos out. So, the cleaning. How did I get it up this clean? Well, I'll show you. So, there we go. So what I do is I've done this, the first time I've done it like this, I did it on the bike. And the reason why I come up with this idea was because I couldn't get round the manifold very well like it is as it off, but it actually turns out it's really good. It's really effective, it really works. So you get a sleeve, an old jumper, and you wrap it round once and then again, and you're left with this. And then it's like it just gets the grips of that metal, that stainless steel, with your metal polish, auto sulf, Holford's, nothing special, and just do that. Now when I first got this bike, this manifold was in bad condition, and I just gave it a go. Thought, see how much I can get it up and shining, and it turned out it came up really well. But now that I got the manifold off, I thought I'd give it another go, because you do have to keep on top of it. I find that every 6 months you have to just give it a clean, because it kind of goes, you know, the heat sort of colouring, which I like, but I prefer nice shiny new looking manifold, and it does remove the heat look. So if you like the heat look, then leave it alone. Just do this as once. And this, it is, if you've not got patience, don't even bother trying. It does take quite a while. It takes, you know, you're not going to do this in 5 minutes. I find that, you know, it's one of those little jobs that you go back into. I'm a busy man, so it's sort of like, you know, you do 1-2 pipe, this middle section, and you find you in here, and then obviously the headers. But yeah, I've still got to go over this a few more times, and back here. It was that colour, and I'm really surprised it's come up like that. And it makes a difference, because you know, when you pull up at mates and stuff like that, they go, yeah, have you got a new manifold? It's like, no, it's original. And they'd never believe you. Because if you know your Zeds, you can't buy these. I mean, you can buy them, the catalytic converter from Kawasaki, I guess, at a wheel, probably a lot of money. But you can't buy aftermarket for the Z1000s, gen2s, and them anyway. They've discontinued them everywhere now. I've tried looking, because I didn't want to do this decat method. But yeah, so that was just a little video of me, my method of cleaning the manifold. Got a bit more to do, and then TIG weld it back together. Bought some new link pipes because I got dents on them and stuff. Because I did buy some new cans. That's how I got this far. I went from new cans to this. And what actually happened was, if I can find it, is that. So there's a bracket here, and that's your foot peg. So that sits in there like that, and it's just a little bit bent in. So I thought, you know what, I'll pull it out a bit. It just went, but as you can see, it's been going for a while. You know what, I heard a funny blow when I put new exhaust on, because I've got this ramp here and I had it up in the air, and I thought it was this joint here somewhere. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to have a look at that. And then when I was pulling it, that happened. and I tell you what, I didn't even pull it. It was just a little bit of a, and it just popped right off. And then, yeah, so my mate said he can fix it, so I'm going to fix it as a spare, but I've ordered new ones now as well, because it's looking a bit, it's not even worth cleaning up, is it? And that's how I've ended up doing this. Because now the bike's off the road, with that, I thought, you know, I'll get the manifold off. On the other video, as I mentioned before, it's taking the manifold off, heating all the little manifold nuts up, removing that. So if you want to, as I say, watch it, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.